Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to backup your iPhone on iOS 18 with iCloud. So first thing is that you will have to just move in your iPhone settings and make sure your iPhone has been updated with the latest version of iOS 18. And next is you will just tap on your username on Apple account, and after inside you will have to just see this is iCloud. So just tap on this iCloud icon, and from here you will see my rest of storage is 32.1 above 50 GB. So make sure this iCloud backup. So just tap on it, make sure this button is on, backup this phone iPhone. So just turn it on and back up over cellular. It means that when you are not connected to Wi-Fi, use your cellular network to automatically backup to iCloud. This may cause you to exceed your cellular data plan. So you can just turn it on these both options. So this is how to use iCloud backup on iPhone in iOS 18. This video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.